is the assembly of the banner stand. It comes in a approximately 4-foot box, rather flat. Right now we're taking the pieces out of the box. There should be 2 poles and 2 frames, a top and a bottom, and then the base. There's 2 pieces to that frame. One goes on the top, one will go on the bottom. Take the base out of the box and out of the plastic. You will need to unscrew that bottom lever in order to make the hole open up on the bottom. Then just tighten it again so it doesn't come crashing down. The screws on the bottom of that bottom frame will need to be loosened or taken out. And when it goes into the base, there's another screw at the bottom, and that will need to be removed so the pole can slide down into the other part of the base. Once that pole is in place, the bottom screw can be placed back in.
Mom, look at what they're doing. Look what we're doing.
And then do the same thing for the other pole.
A banner stand.
Where's a banner stand?
We put banners in them.
So what you do with the banners?
Guys, big sign. They're just standard, right? To tell you things. Advertising.
You'll probably need to turn the poles to make sure that the holes align before putting that bottom screw back in. And sometimes it's a little trickier. If it's still not going in, you may want to try to increase the height of the pole, just in case the hole at the bottom of the pole is not opened all the way. Once the screw is in, you'll need to lift the bottom of the frame approximately 6 inches from the base, and then tighten the screws underneath that bottom frame. Then the top screws on the poles will come off. The top frame can go in place, line up the holes, and place the screws back in. And that is your banner stand. It can be extended and it can be lowered just by using those screws in the middle.